Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Ninja ZEROSTICK Stackable 3-piece saucepan set. These pans are designed to offer durability, convenience, and a unique stacking feature. Let's dive into the details. Ninja is well known for its innovative kitchen appliances. But they've also ventured into cookware, including this impressive set of non-stick saucepans. The Ninja ZEROSTICK Stackable 3-piece saucepan set stands out with its ultra-tough non-stick properties and convenient stacking capability. One of the standout features of this set is its ability to stack neatly without the bases of each pan making contact with the non-stick surface below. This smart stacking system is achieved through small protruding finger grip handles opposite the main handles, allowing for a tidy and clutter-free storage solution. The pans in this set come in 3 different sizes: 16 cm, 18 cm, and 20 cm in diameter. They are attractively designed with heavily riveted all-steel handles that feel solid and comfortable. Additionally, these pans are oven-safe up to a temperature of 260 C, adding to their versatility in the kitchen. The Ninja ZEROSTICK pans are cast from aluminum with a steel base for induction compatibility. However, there seems to be a quirk when it comes to their placement on certain induction hobs. They require specific sizing and placement to function properly, which can be inconvenient for some users. The non-stick coating on these pans, called ZEROSTICK, is marketed as being 20 times tougher than traditional non-stick. It's scratch-resistant, metal utensil-safe, and dishwasher-safe. While the coating performed well in various tests, there were some instances where it showed slight stickiness, particularly with porridge and fried eggs. The Ninja ZEROSTICK Stackable 3-piece saucepan set offers excellent durability and stackability. However, if you're primarily looking for fuss-free induction use, these pans might not be the ideal choice due to their specific size and placement requirements. That said, they are still excellent options for gas cooktops. That concludes our review of the Ninja ZEROSTICK Stackable 3-piece saucepan set. If you're in search of durable saucepans that stack neatly and provide convenience in your kitchen, these pans are worth considering. Just be mindful of their specific induction hob requirements. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. See you next time.